Hi, Martyn Kelly, CJ Kelly International. Just wanted to do a very quick video about maintenance of your Picote machine. If you want to learn how to lube and maintain these machines, there's already some great videos on YouTube that we've done. But we do see this as a common kind of fault that can occur. Now, drawing general wear and tear, wrapping and stowing the foot pedal, this bit of the cable here, the conductors in there, the little copper wires, they eventually break. Very similar to your charging cable on your phone, you know, over the years it will just break and over hard use and abuse. So this machine is powered on, it should work, and there you go, and doesn't work. This problem pretty much exists on all machines with foot pedal cables. Jetters experience very similar problems, and it's just a general wear and tear thing. So I quickly want to run through how you can do the foot pedal yourself. First things first, always make sure that you are unplugged. You need to undo the screw there. Now on the inside of this foot pedal, you can see your conductors. We've got our earth there, our live and our neutral. All you need to do is repeat the wiring process, undo the screws. I'm going to pull this cable through about 6 inches and re-terminate everything and wire it up. Once this is done, there's no guarantee that it is a full-blown repair. Sometimes the conductor or the copper wires might be broken somewhere else in this cable, especially if it's been pinched in a door. The outer rubber on these cables are very good at not looking like they've been pinched sometimes. So if this has at any point been slammed in a door, the conductors inside may have been cut, but the outside casing looks absolutely fine. And it isn't until you've kind of rewired here and gone to do some more run tests and maybe a continuity test, if you're capable of doing that as well, that you'll learn that actually there might be another broken cable in here somewhere. So give it all a good wiggle once you're done, and that will help test that it's all working fine. And I'm going to quickly wire this up and we'll give it a run up. Okay, just going to plug it back in, give it a quick test. And I'm going to wiggle the cable whilst we test it. There we go. So there we go, that's a quick how to rewire the foot pedal. Now, as mentioned, if the conductor is broken further down, then it would need a new cable, and it means it needs to be rewired in the control box too. That's a job that's more suitable for a service centre, someone like us here based in Peterborough. We are Picote's first service centre in the world, so our experience and our turnaround times on these is very good. So, for all of your Picote repair needs, give us a call. And I guess I'll see you on the next video.